Gates open, they're up and racing. Famous Girl draws 4-year lead, moving up by the rail. Street Vamp. Then comes Kyrell Preciosa in between runners. Stand by your man, sneaking in down on the inside. Is entry number 1, Rosa Success, this time grabbing the lead. Rosa Success running by the rail. Street Vamp is on the outside. Kyrell moving up to take third. Famous Girl drops back in fourth. He's stand by your man, and Preciosa now in behind them. Past the last 600, 3 runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Street Vamp running in between runners by the rail. Rosa Success, Kyrell is on the outside. As they swing towards the last 450, Street Vamp this time by about a length and a half. Rosa Success is in second by the rail. Kyrell is on the outside third, and moving up on the outside is Preciosa. Famous Girl is stand by your man. With the last 150 more to run, Street Vamp, Preciosa moving up on the outside. Street Vamp, Preciosa is on the outside, throwing a challenge, moves up to grab the lead, and leading the finish line, it's going to be Preciosa. Street Vamp, Kyrell. Number 1, Rosa Success, Famous Girl. Then comes Stand By Your Man.